What happens when you eat onions every day? Did you know that eating onions can increase testosterone, repair your liver, and even help you look younger? In this video, we explain 7 benefits, including the science behind them. We also explain the best ways in which to eat onions to get maximum benefit and when to avoid them. All our information is research-backed, and we have listed the studies in the description below. Also, watch to the end to find out the answers to the question, what does your body need if you crave onions? Benefit 1. Boosting testosterone. Onions contain a compound called quercetin, which helps increase the production of luteinizing hormone. Now, why does this matter? Well, luteinizing hormone is like a messenger in your body. It travels to your testes and essentially tells them to start making more testosterone. But that's not all. Onions are packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants act like tiny bodyguards, shielding your testes from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Here's another interesting bit. Onions can help your body use insulin better. You might be wondering what insulin has to do with testosterone. Well, when your body struggles to use insulin properly, it can lead to lower testosterone levels. Lastly, onions boost the production of nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide is important because it helps improve blood flow throughout your body, including to your testes. Better blood flow means your body gets more of the oxygen and nutrients they need to work better and produce testosterone. Is there any research to back up the claims of boosting testosterone? Yes, there is. In one study of male rats given fresh onion juice had higher testosterone levels compared to control groups. Another study found that onion consumption could increase sperm count too. All these studies are listed in the description. Benefit 2. Liver repair. Is onion good for liver repair, you ask? Absolutely. Here's why. Onions contain powerful sulfur compounds and flavonoids that act as bodyguards for your liver cells. These compounds stimulate the production of glutathione, which detoxifies your liver. It's like giving your liver a supercharged cleaning crew. Secondly, these compounds in onions have anti-inflammatory properties. Why is this important? Because inflammation is often at the root of liver damage. By reducing inflammation, onions help create an environment where your liver can heal and work at its best. One fascinating study found that onion extract significantly reduced fat buildup in the liver. It's as if onions are telling your liver, let's get rid of this excess fat and get you back in shape. Benefit 3. Hair growth. Worried about thinning hair? Onions might be your new best friend. The secret lies in their high sulfur content. Sulfur is a crucial building block of keratin, the protein that makes up about 95% of your hair. By providing your body with more sulfur, onions can help boost keratin production, leading to stronger, thicker hair. It's like giving your hair the raw materials it needs to grow. But that's not all. The sulfur in onions also boosts collagen production. Now you might be thinking, isn't collagen for skin? Well, yes, but it's also crucial for hair growth. Collagen surrounds your hair strands, protecting them and providing structure. Onions are also rich in antioxidants, particularly quercetin. These antioxidants fight off free radicals that can damage hair follicles. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Some studies have shown that onion juice applied directly to the scalp can improve hair growth. One study published in the Journal of Dermatology found that 87% of participants who applied onion juice to their scalps twice daily saw improved hair growth after just 6 weeks. But don't worry if you're not keen on smelling like an onion farm. There are less pungent ways to get these benefits, like adding more onions to your meals. You can also look for hair products that contain onion extract. These have the benefits without the strong smell. For those who are adventurous, you can try making a DIY onion hair mask. Mix half a cup of fresh onion juice with 1 tablespoon of honey, which has its own hair benefits, and apply it to your scalp for about 15 minutes before washing. Just be sure to rinse thoroughly. Remember, hair growth is a slow process, so be patient. Benefit 4. Blood sugar control. Firstly, onions are rich in a type of fiber called fructans. Why is this important? Well, fructans are a prebiotic fiber, which means they feed the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to better blood sugar control. But that's not all. Onions also contain a compound called quercetin, which helps to control blood sugar levels throughout the body. A study published in the journal Environmental Health Insights supports this. It looked at the effect of eating raw onion on blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. The researchers found that eating about 3.5 ounces, 100 grams of raw red onion significantly reduced blood sugar levels by about 40 milligrams per deciliter after 4 hours. That's a substantial drop. But why raw onions specifically? Raw onions contain higher levels of certain sulfur compounds and enzymes that might be altered or destroyed during cooking. Benefit 5. Anti-aging benefits. Want to turn back the clock? Onions might be your secret weapon in the fight against aging. First, let's talk about antioxidants. Quercetin, one of the main antioxidants in onions, has been shown to have particularly potent anti-aging effects. A study in the journal Genes and Nutrition found that quercetin protects skin cells from UV damage, one of the primary causes of premature aging. But the benefits don't stop at your skin. The sulfur compounds in onions help stimulate the production of glutathione, which is crucial for detoxification and has been linked to longevity. It's as if onions are helping your body take out the trash. Onions also contain vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that's essential for collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm and elastic. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, leading to sagging and wrinkles. By supporting collagen production, the vitamin C in onions can help keep your skin looking plump and youthful. But it's not just about looking young. Onions can help you feel younger too. The anti-inflammatory properties of onions can help reduce the risk of arthritis and heart disease. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate the most allium vegetables, like onions and garlic, were less likely to suffer from mental decline as they aged. Benefit 6. Heart health. The quercetin in onions has been shown to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it doesn't have obvious symptoms, but can lead to serious heart problems. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that a diet high in quercetin-rich foods like onions could reduce systolic blood pressure, the top number, by up to 5 points to the top number. That might not sound like much, but even small reductions in blood pressure can significantly lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. But quercetin doesn't stop there. It also helps reduce inflammation in your blood vessels. Why is this important? Chronic inflammation can damage the inner lining of your arteries, leading to the buildup of plaque. This plaque narrows your arteries, making it harder for blood to flow and increasing your risk of heart attack and stroke. By reducing inflammation, quercetin helps keep your arteries clear and flexible. Now, let's talk about cholesterol. The sulfur in onions has been shown to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL cholesterol, the good kind. It's like onions are helping to clean out your arteries while boosting their protective lining. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found some remarkable results. The researchers looked at the dietary habits of over 500 women over 15 years. They found that women who ate the most onions and other allium vegetables like garlic had a 64% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who ate the least. That's a significant reduction. But how much onion do you need to eat to see these benefits? The good news is that you don't need to eat onions like apples. Even adding a quarter to a half cup of chopped onions to your daily diet could make a difference. Benefit 7. Improved digestive health. As we age, our digestive system can become a bit less efficient, leading to problems like constipation, bloating, and poor nutrient absorption. But here's where onions come to the rescue with their remarkable effects on gut health. Onions are one of nature's richest sources of prebiotics, particularly a type called fructans. But what exactly are prebiotics and why do they matter? Think of prebiotics as special food that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. According to research by Gibson and Wang, prebiotics can help good bacteria grow in your colon while keeping potentially bad bacteria in check. These prebiotics work in your gut to support the growth of beneficial bacteria, help break down food more efficiently, strengthen your immune system, and maintain a healthy gut environment. For those over 45, maintaining good digestive health is particularly important because a healthy gut helps absorb nutrients more efficiently. Better digestion means more energy. A balanced gut microbiome supports immune function. Good digestive health can help prevent more serious gastrointestinal issues. However, it's important to note that while onions are great for most people's digestion, some individuals might be sensitive to them, particularly those with IBS or FODMAP sensitivities. If you notice any digestive discomfort, start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake, if you can handle it. How to eat onions for maximum benefits. Does cooking onions destroy their health benefits? Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry provides some interesting findings. While raw onions are richest in healthful elements, cooking onions doesn't remove these benefits. It just changes them. The study found that while high heat might reduce quercetin levels, mild cooking might make quercetin easier for us to absorb. To get the most health benefits, it's best to eat onions both raw and cooked. Each way gives you different good nutrients. If you're cooking onions, gentle cooking methods like light sautéing or adding them to soups and stews can preserve their nutritional benefits. It takes a ton of time and research to make these videos. If you like this video, please help us keep our channel going by hitting like and subscribing. When to avoid onions? Here's an interesting question. Why shouldn't we eat raw onions at night? While there's no strict rule against it, some people find that eating raw onions before bed can cause indigestion or bad breath. If you enjoy a late-night snack, you might want to opt for cooked onions instead. If you have acid reflux or a sensitive stomach, raw onions might not be your friend. Also, if you are on a low FODMAP diet, it's wise to test onions in small amounts. Now you might be curious, what does your body need if you crave onions? This is an intriguing question because our bodies often have a way of telling us what they need. Sometimes cravings can indicate nutritional deficiencies. If you're craving onions, your body might be asking for several things. 1. Sulfur compounds. Your body might need more of these for detoxification processes. 2. Prebiotics. Onions are a great source of prebiotics which feed the good bacteria in your gut. A craving might mean that your gut microbiome needs some support. 3. Quercetin. If you are craving this, then your body might be asking for extra support with your immunity. 4. Chromium. Onions are a good source of chromium, a mineral that helps regulate blood sugar. If you're craving onions, it could be your body's way of asking for help with blood sugar balance. 5. Vitamin C. While not as high in vitamin C as citrus fruits, onions do contain this important antioxidant. A craving might signal that your body needs an antioxidant boost. Now, do get migraines, have high blood pressure, or weak bones. You should consider learning about how magnesium glycinate can help with these. Watch our video linked here.